In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live countdown in Google Sheets. We're going to build a simple, reliable countdown that shows how many days are left until a specific date, and it will update automatically every day. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and deciding where you want to store your target date. Pick a clear, easy-to-find spot, and consider adding a label next to it so you'll always remember what that date represents. Enter your target date in that cell using your preferred date format. Google Sheets accepts many formats, but it's important that Sheets recognizes it as a date, not plain text. If the value aligns to the right and you can change its appearance under Format, it's likely recognized correctly. If not, adjust the format using Format, Number, Date, and make sure your spreadsheet's locale matches the date style you're using. Next, select the cell where you want the countdown number to appear. Place it near your target date for clarity, and add a quick label like Days Remaining in the cell beside it so the number has context. This will make your sheet easier to read at a glance. Now create a formula that subtracts today's date from your target date. Click the countdown cell, start with an equal sign, click the target date cell to reference it, type a minus sign, and then use the built-in function that returns the current date. This tells Sheets to compute the number of days between now and your chosen date. You don't need to type the actual date in the formula. Referencing the cell keeps things clean and easy to update later. Press Enter, and you'll see how many days remain until the target date. If the number is negative, that means the date has already passed. Because the formula uses the current date function, the value will refresh automatically every day, typically just after midnight in your spreadsheet's time zone. Finally, format the result as a plain number so it looks clean. Go to Format Number and choose Number, then set decimal places to 0 for a whole day countdown. If you ever see unexpected decimals, reducing the decimal places will keep it tidy. If the countdown cell shows something odd, double-check that your target cell is truly formatted as a date. That's it. Review the countdown each day as it updates on its own, and you'll always know exactly how many days remain.